This is Makeway. It will make you feel things. This is joy. This is frustration. This is satisfaction. And this is pride. Makeway is a modular magnetic super puzzle. It attaches to any metallic surface and doesn't take any floor space. It can be created here or here, at your home, outside, or your office. This, by the way, is procrastination. Makeway is made of 8 different tracks and 15 different tricks. Each track and each trick has its own unique moves. How to set them up is up to you, and the configurations are endless. Take the spinner for example. With one ball, it spins. That's fun, but put another one and you get a path creator. Put 3 balls and you got a show. Add a lift at the end of your path and you got a perpetua mobilia. The lift is also modular, so you can make it longer and longer and longer. This is amazement. Makeway is created by these 2 guys. They have backgrounds in woodworking and industrial engineering. They wanted to create a super unique and engaging design piece. They wound up with a stunning system of modular, compatible units that they just can't keep their hands off. So if you want to partake in the joy and excitement that comes from building a unique path, then building another one and another, get Makeway. It's so much fun.
The onboard diagnostics or OBD2 port is found on all modern vehicles. Normally used by mechanics to diagnose and clear fault codes. SmartStick is a small device that stays connected to this port and connects your smartphone in real time to the vehicle's computer, giving the user access to a range of features usually only found on expensive professional diagnostic scanners. We had a clear vision from the start. We wanted SmartStick to integrate seamlessly and become an extension of our driving experience. Like other leading brands, SmartStick is able to perform a full diagnostic scan of your vehicle, as well as identify and clear fault codes. However, what makes SmartStick different is that it automatically does this full health scan every time you drive your vehicle, in the background, without the need to open the app. SmartStick will alert you of any mechanical issues or faults and generate a detailed report with causes, fixes, and whether it's safe to continue driving with that fault. It also records detailed data from every trip and keeps track of any maintenance requirements. Information is uploaded to the app and you get notifications of any required actions. The device itself has its own internal storage, ensuring you never miss a trip, even if someone else drives your car. Record vehicle expenses, view trip details, classify trips as business or personal use, and generate comprehensive usage and expense reports for any period. Having the app work in the background and offering continuous monitoring is a first in OBD technology, but we took it a step further. With SmartStick's new family feature, you can now monitor every vehicle in your family, seamlessly, remotely, without any action required. View the family snapshot to see the current status on all vehicles, or click on a family member to see current health status, trip details, maintenance requirements, driving habits, and even location if you have this feature enabled. We believe SmartStick is a groundbreaking product and one that will have a major impact on our driving experience, enhancing safety, saving you money, and helping you monitor every aspect of your vehicles.